Ella was the daughter of a rich man. She lived happily with her father and mother. One day, her mother fell sick. Mother's sickness became worse day by day. The lady knew that she wouldn't live longer. So she called Ella near her and said, "Dear child, always be good and pious. Have courage. God will always take care of you. I will look upon you from heaven and will always with you." And then she closed her eyes forever. Ella was very sad on the death of her mother. Every day she would go to her mother's grave and wept. She kept her word, be good and pious. After some day, Ella's father married another woman, a widow. She was very proud and unkind woman. She had 2 daughters. She brought her daughters to Ella's house. They were very beautiful and fair in appearance, but at heart they were wicked and ugly. The stepmother and her daughters had no love for Ella. When Ella's father died, the stepmother and her stepsisters made her a servant. They took away her beautiful dresses and gave her a grey one. They took off her beautiful shoes and they sent her to the kitchen. She was made to do heavy jobs from morning to night. She had to get up early, draw water, make the fire, cook and wash. In the evenings, she was quite tired after the day's hard work. She had no bed to lie upon. She had to rest on the hearth among the cinders. She always looked dusty and dirty as she slept in the cinders. So they named her Cinderella. One day, the young prince of the country invited all the young girls of the kingdom to a ball, a party. His plan was to choose one of them as his princess. Cinderella's stepsisters were delighted on hearing this invitation. They selected their best gowns, dressed their hair, but they were not taking Cinderella with them. Ha ha ha, maids are not invited to the party. You can go when beggars hold a ball. They laughed at her. Comb our hair, brush our shoes, and make our buckles fast. We are going to the princess' ball. When she heard this, Cinderella could not help crying, for she too liked to go to the party. She begged her stepmother to take her along. Would you, Cinderella? In all your dust and dirt, you want to go to the ball? You have no dress, no shoes, you want to dance. She turned her back to Cinderella and hurried set out with her proud daughters. When they left the house, Cinderella felt very sad. She started crying. She thought of her own mother. If my mother had been alive, she would have sent me to the party. Suddenly, she heard a voice. You will certainly go to the ball.